This video highlights all the key features you need to know about the Sony BRAVIA 8265-inch TV. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this TV in the description below for the latest price. The first thing that stands out with this model is its breathtaking OLED display, offering pure black levels thanks to over 8 million self-lit pixels. Paired with Sony's highest OLED brightness, this TV creates an immersive visual experience that makes movies, games, and shows look truly cinematic. Colors are brought to life with the Quantum Dot panel and XR Triluminos Max, delivering billions of accurate real-world colors that make every scene pop with realism. Sony's XR processor with AI technology works behind the scenes to intelligently enhance every frame, improving color, contrast, and clarity in real time. This means even fast-paced action sequences remain crisp and smooth, especially with the 120Hz refresh rate that reduces motion blur significantly. Whether you're gaming on a PS5 or watching your favorite sports, the motion handling and visual fidelity are top-notch. For entertainment variety, Google TV provides seamless access to all your favorite streaming apps in one place. Voice commands through Google Assistant make searching effortless, and you can easily stream content from your phone or tablet with Apple AirPlay 2 or Google Cast. The TV also comes with a built-in mic switch and an ECO dashboard, adding convenience and energy efficiency for everyday use. Sony Pictures Core takes the experience further by offering included movies and the largest IMAX enhanced collection, giving you premium content right out of the box. Studio-calibrated picture modes ensure that content from Netflix, Prime Video, and Sony Pictures Core is displayed exactly as creators intended, preserving artistic vision with stunning accuracy. The slim and elegant design complements any living space while packing connectivity options like HDMI, USB, Bluetooth, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi for modern setups. On the downside, OLED panels can be sensitive to static images over long periods, so it's worth keeping that in mind for heavy gaming or prolonged channel logos. Overall, the Sony BRAVIA 8265-inch TV delivers exceptional picture quality, smart features, and gaming optimizations that make it a strong choice for those seeking a premium home entertainment experience.